I don't take shitty jobs. It's just, like, if an opportunity comes my way, I'll say, thank you, world, for the continued support. But, I want to better myself. I want to, follow my dream, make my dream come true of becoming a world famous voice actor. Like Bugs Bunny, or Liam Neeson, or Ken from Corey. The point is like you talk the talk, but don't walk the walk. And that guy over there is going to help me do it.
My name's Matthew. I'm Archie's producer. We've worked together now for about 4 years, I think, and honestly, I think I can safely say that every bone in my body hates it.
Hate's a strong word. It's more that we just have like a different understanding of the nature of the work we do in the industry for the benefit of the world and me.
No, I think hate's pretty much bang on. Pretty much.
So today we're doing an advert for NFG Sportswear, and the script is a total winner.
Right, we're going to go from the top in 3, 2, 1.
Run, walk, swim, jump, leap, fall, jog, crawl, fight. You can achieve it all with NFG Sportswear. That went so well.
But sometimes you'll get an odd job like this, trying to shift sportswear. But then the next day he could be advertising Hondas. I mean, last week he did a job for the NHS about syphilis. I suppose what I'm trying to say is that the work's up and down.
It's cold this winter, so make sure you have Handy's brake fluid. Actually, can we do that again? That was more of a Fiat, and I'm looking to do something with a bit of an Audi taste to it.
Yeah, no problem. Fuck's sake.
Do you see yourself as a celebrity?
More like a philosopher. I'm inspiring younger generations and making the world a better place. Like, we all have a dream, but mine is to, make people smile when they hear my stuff on the radio or watch it on the screen. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red... She sells seashell. She sells seashell.
What's your dream in life, Matthew?
Get up, go to work, have some toast, go to bed. Simples.